Hello and welcome back. Today let's talk about the drilling operation. I have this project and we have different kinds of drill operation like the countersink, some deep drill, some slots over here. But let me do one thing, and for that I will copy this workpiece and I will paste inside. Okay. Paste inside. The following object cannot be pasted inside will be copied. Okay, I will copy this and will paste over here. Right, so the first operation that I applied is the flooring valve over here. As you can see, let me just generate the toolpath for now. Okay, this is the toolpath, flow and cut pattern. Let me just call as the follow the path, and now let's see what's happened. Verify it and play it. See, I just finished it up over here. Okay, then I just apply the drilling operation. Let me just generate the toolpath for now and drill method. Okay, method is drill method and selected features, and make sure you just define the shortest path. Okay, and generate. I just select these regions as my geometry to be cut it out, and this is the drill. Generate, verify, and let's boom. Replay 3D dynamic, and let's boom. Okay, it's done. The next, I just applied the spot drill operation. Generate it, verify. Okay, it was just a spot drill, and drill peak copy. Generate it. See, this is for the countersink, and verify it. Okay, and let me just generate this, verify, slow down the speed so that you can just like it's actually what happens. Okay, and then I just applied a reaming operation to the selected geometries over here, and this is the drill method and drill boring operation and generate. Okay, and method. Okay, and I want to verify this. This is a reamer. Okay, and the last one is just I applied to the middle. These are my geometries. Make sure you choose the shortest path to optimize the things, and generate it, verify, and hit OK. So this was all about this project at from the scratch till now. I just told you what's actually happening here to be doing a drill project. So thanks for watching.